अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी 11th चैप्टर 9 ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs इज वेयर डज केमिकल डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बिगन? स्टमक, एसोफेगस, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और माउथ? द केमिकल डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बिगन्स इन द माउथ where the enzymes salivary amylase break down starch into maltose and dextrins. So the exact answer is mouth. Next is which enzymes in saliva starts breaking down starch? Lipase, amylase, trypsin or pepsin? The enzyme amylase present in saliva begins the breakdown of starch into simpler sugars like maltose in the mouth. So the exact answer is amylase. Next is what prevents food from entering the trachea during swallowing? Epiglottis, esophageal sphincter, uvula or tongue? The epiglottis is a flap of cartilage that closes over the trachea during swallowing, preventing food or liquid from entering the airway and directing it into the esophagus instead. So the exact answer is epiglottis. Next is why does the enzyme's activity drops in the stomach when pH rises? Acid blocks food entry. Enzymes denature in low pH. Enzymes need acidic pH to work, or saliva dilutes gastric juice. The stomach enzymes like pepsin function best in a highly acidic environment. When the pH rises, these enzymes lose their optimal conditions and their activity drops as they are unable to catalyze reactions efficiently. So the exact answer is enzymes need acidic pH to work. Next is which change would most affect protein digestion? Blocking bile release, inhibiting salivary glands, inhibiting pepsin production, or slowing peristalsis. The pepsin is the main enzyme responsible for breaking down proteins into smaller peptides in the stomach. If pepsin production is inhibited, protein digestion is greatly reduced, while the other options mainly affect fat or carbohydrates digestions, not protein. So the exact answer is inhibiting pepsin production. Next is why is lipase not active in the stomach? It is destroyed by acid, it needs alkaline pH to work, it is secreted by the liver, or it digests only protein. Lipase functions best in an alkaline environment, such as in the small intestine, where bile neutralizes stomach acid. The stomach's acid pH inhibits lipase activity, so fat digestion mainly occurs after food enter the duodenum. So the exact answer is it needs alkaline pH to work. Next is which stomach secretion activates pepsin and kill bacteria? Bile, hydrochloric acid, sodium bicarbonate or mucus? Hydrochloric acid in the stomach creates an acidic environment that activates pepsinogen into pepsin and kills harmful bacteria present in food. So the exact answer is hydrochloric acid. Next is why is segmentation important in the small intestine? It absorbs bile, it breaks down enzymes, it mixes food with digestive juices, it pushes food to the rectum. Segmentation in the small intestine involves rhythmic contraction of circular muscles that mix chyme with digestive enzymes and bile. This improves digestion and nutrients absorption by ensuring close contact between food particles and the intestinal wall. So the exact answer is it mixes food with digestive juices. Next is what is the function of villi and microvilli in the small intestine? Produce enzymes, increase surface area for absorption, store bile, neutralize stomach acid. Villi and microvilli are teeny finger-like projection lining the small intestine. They greatly increase the surface area, allowing more efficient absorption of nutrients from digested food into the bloodstream. So the exact answer is increase surface area for absorption. Next is which best explain the liver's role in the digestion? It produces insulin, it produces undigested food, it produces bile for fat digestion, or it secretes enzymes into the colon. The liver produces bile, a fluid that helps break down fats into smaller droplets, making them easier for lipase to digest in the small intestine. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the duodenum during digestion. So the exact answer is it produce bile for fat digestion. तो ये थे बायोलॉजी 11 चैप्टर 9 की एक्सरसाइज के MCQs। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम इस चैप्टर के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।